want us now to look at how can we be able to calculate this sacrificing ratio. We have now seen what this particular kind of the old partners can sacrifice for this particular kind of the new partner which is coming in. And after the new partners come in, we have now seen what will be the new ratio, which will be now be used in the future when they want to share the new profits which they are going to be making after the new partner has actually joined in. So that ratio which the old partners have sacrificed for the sake of the new partner coming in is what we call the kind of sacrificing ratio. And to get sacrificing ratio is the existing ratio minus new ratio. So in that particular case, if you want to get what the old partners have sacrificed, look at the existing ratio, which they used to have, minus the new ratio, which they are actually now going to share the profits. That's what we call the sacrificing ratio. Now, in this particular case, I want us to look at example 2, which is below there. Only the new partner share is given in that case. Rohit and Mohit are partners sharing profit in a ratio 3:2. So that means then R and M, their profit sharing ratio is 3:2. So that means R would be 3/5. Now M would be 2/5. That's the old profit sharing ratio which they are actually having. They admit Smith as a new partner of 1/5 share in profit. So that means then S is being admitted with a new ratio which is actually called 1/5. Now the first thing which I need now to find is to find the new ratio. If the whole profit basically is going to be, the total profit is going to be 1. So if 1 minus 1/5, you will get is 4/5, which is the remaining ratio, new ratio, which will be shared between the old partners. So the new ratio for R will be equals to 3/5 times 4/5. And for M will be equals to, in that particular case, it is 2/5 times 4/5. So which would be 12/25, and which would be 8/25. Are we together there?
Yes.
Waragamau,
Yes.
are you getting the new ratio for R and M to be 12/25 and 8/25?
Yes.
Therefore, now the new ratios is going to be there is R, there is M, and there is S. So it will be 12/25. It will be 8/25. Now 1/25/5. So therefore, the ECM is 25. So it will be 12. It will be now 12. It will be 8, and then it will be 5. So the new ratio is 12 to 8 to 5. That is our new ratio, which we have actually found in that case. That's our new ratio. So I want now to get how much A has sacrificed, R has sacrificed, and how much B has actually sacrificed. Are you getting what I'm sharing there? Acheng,
Yes.
have you got 8 to 5?
Yes.
Now that means R will be getting, the new ratio is 12/5/25. Now M will be getting 8/25, right?
Yes.
Now, but initially, how were they getting? What was their initial ratio? So that I can get, now I want to calculate the sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio is equals to the new ratio minus old ratio. The new ratio for R is 12/25. The old ratio, yeah. Are you getting me?
Yes.
Now, what they have sacrificed is this, in this case now, the whole ratio was how much? In that case, I've given you there how to get the sacrificing ratio. The sacrificing ratio is the existing ratio minus the new ratio. The existing ratio, which we actually add for R, sorry, it was, in that particular case, we have got that now, the ratio is going to be 3/5 minus 12/25.
Yes.
For M will be 2/5 minus 8/25. So this is what they have sacrificed. So they have sacrificed a 3/25 to 2/25, which is like 3 to 2. That's what we call the sacrificing ratio. Ajeng, have you got it right?
Yes.
Anybody else who has not got it right, please? Alice,
Yes, sir.
have you got the point right?
Yes.
I don't know why the rest are getting me. This is the beginning, which I'm doing then. I've now building up so that we can see what will happen into this case then. Now, sometimes you may get that the new partner will acquire his or her share of profit from the existing partner in a particular ratio. Now, that's what we mean now. You really need to buy that ratio from the whole partners to be part of your share. That is to say, the incoming partner, he is going to purchase his ratio from the existing partners. So in that scenario, where the new partner will purchase his ratio from the existing partners, is what we need now to use so that we can be able to come up with the new ratio in that case. Now I want us now to look at the small example there, how we can be able to calculate the new ratio when the new partner purchases his share of profit from the existing old partners. So that's what we want us now to look at it today. Now look at it again, a small example I've given you there. Nea and Patrick are partners sharing profit in a ratio 3:2. They admit Nisa as a new partner for 3:10 share in profit. She acquires his share as 2.22/10 from Nea and 1/10 share from Batik. Calculate the new profit ratio and sacrificing ratio. Ajeng, can you try Aaron? We do together?
We can try first.
Just try, then see where you get wrong. Then we can rectify it, all of us together, please. Just try your best. The existing ratio is 3:2. Name new ratio. In that case, there is 3:5 minus 2:10, which he gave to Nea. So his new ratio, after he has given his share to Nea, to Nisa, is 4:10. Patrick's new ratio, initially it was 2:5, all ones, but he gave us 1/10 to Nisa. So his new ratio now will be 3/10. His new ratio was 3 to 10. So therefore, the new ratio for the all three partners would be 4 over 10, 3 over 10, and 3 over 10. That's what we call 4 to 3 to 3. Have you got it, Ajeng?
Yes.
You have seen where you got a you did a
Yes.
mistake.
Yes.
Okay. Anybody else who has not got it clearly, so they can be able to explain? Don't keep quiet where we are going, Nikubaya. Kama, have you got it right?
Yes.
Alice,
Yes.
did you get 4 to 3 to 3?
No.
Ulipata ngapi?
21 ratio 14 ratio 15.
Umeona mahali ulipotelea?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, then. Fatima,
Yes.
did you get it right?
Yeah, I got 4:3:3.
Thank you. Then that's okay then. Now, let us move now down again. You may get that the existing partners surrender a particular portion of their shares in favor of a new partner. That's what we have actually done in that case. Let's look at it, another example there, which I want you again, you try by yourself as we move down. Now I want us to look at him and larger shared profit in the ratio 3 to 2. Jolly was admitted as a partner. Him surrendered 1/4 of his share, a large 1/3 of his share in favor of Joel. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Now, can you try by yourself? Then we could be able to share again.